All right, we're gonna do a number talk today and we're gonna use our monkeys in a tree. But first, we're gonna do bunny ears. So put up 0 on your bunny ears. Can you show me, do you have 0 on your bunny ears? Put 0 up. Can you show me 5 on your bunny ears? I see some kids with this. Is this 5? 5 and 0. That makes 5. I see somebody with this. Does this make 5? Yeah. 4 and 1 more. Gianna, you have 2 and 3. Does that make 5? Nice job. Can you put your bunny ears down in your lap? Nice job. There are a lot of different ways that you can make 5. Today we're going to think about all the different ways we can make a number bigger than 5, but it's not 10.
It's 20?
It's not 20. It's the number 7. Can you think of different ways you might make 7? We're gonna pass out our monkeys in a tree, and I want you, when you get your monkeys in a tree, can you put your monkeys in your tree on your finger and send all the monkeys up the tree? Give me a finger on your chest if you can do that. Oh, nice job. Grab a monkey and pass back the rest. Can you send 7 monkeys down your tree? 7 monkeys. Vanessa, does yours look like this? Does yours look like that? Vihan, does yours look like that? Nice job. Put your monkeys in your lap. Now we're going to work on sending our monkeys down the tree, but we're gonna do it in 2 moves. Let me show you what it looks like to do it in 1 move. In 1 move, Nina, how many red beads do we have? We have 5 red beads. And if I think in my head 5 and 2 more, 5, 6, 7, I might pull my monkeys down the tree in 1 move like that. Practice doing that. 1 move. Put all your monkeys up the tree and pull it down in 1 pull. 1 pull. Can you pull yours all up the tree and pull it down in 1 pull, sweetie? Check that. There you go, Ellie. Check yours. There you go. Ellie, how did you know yours wasn't 7? Ellie's looked like this, boys and girls. Hers looked like this. Ellie, how do you know that's not 7? Is this 5 and 2 more? How many is that?
6.
It's 6, 5 and 1 more. So if we're gonna pull down 7, we have to think on our heads 5, 6, 7, and we're gonna pull it down in 1 pull. Okay, monkeys all up the tree. And now we're gonna talk about what it might look like to pull them down in 2 hunks. So hold on a second. I might, if I'm pulling down, if I wanna have 3 monkeys down my tree, I can pull down 2 and then 1 more. And we might think to ourselves, that's 2 and 1, and that's the same as 3. Altogether, that makes 3. And now this time, we're gonna think about what it looks like to send 7 monkeys down all together, but in 2 pushes. When you do it, space them out just a little bit so I can see how you did yours. Go ahead and send 7 monkeys down that tree. Can you space those out a little bit at the bottom? Can you space those out a little bit? I'm seeing a lot of kids who did this. 5 and 2 more. Give me, me too, if you did yours as 5 and 2 more. Is that a me too? 5 and 2 more? Hold on a second, because Ellie did something different. So send all your monkeys back up the tree. All your monkeys back up the tree. And Ellie, can you hold up your, oh, do what you did. Yeah, there you go. Ellie did hers like this. When she sent all her monkeys up the tree, she did 1, and then she did 6 more. 1 and 6 more. Is that 6? Yeah. That's a different way. Is that still 7?
Yeah. Yeah.
Gianna, is that still 7? 6 and 1 and 6 more, is that 7? What do you think, MJ?
Yes.
Oh, you did yours a different way. All right. MJ, hold yours. Don't send your monkeys up the tree. Everybody else send your monkeys up the tree. All your monkeys up the tree. And let's see what MJ did. MJ, what did you send down first? How many?
4.
4. If I send 4 down my tree, think in your head, don't say it out loud, think in your head, how many more to make 7? You've got it in your head? Nice. You thinking it in your head? You've got an idea? Sanjana? You have it in your head? How many, Sanjana, how many more to make 7? If I have 4 down my tree, how many more?
3.
3 more? Does that make 7? So boys and girls, we're looking for a different way to make 7. So I want you, send all your monkeys up a tree, and I want you to think of another way that you can make 7, and you're gonna do some turning and talking to your friends. You ready? Send some monkeys down the tree, try for a different way. And turn and talk to your partner. Tell them how you knew it was 7. You're gonna have her for a partner, Ellie. There we go. Have it. Can you guys be, oh, actually, yeah, that works. Can you guys be 3 together, honey? Be with 3 with them? There we go. Good job. Nina, how many and how did you know? Tell Grace. Let's see, can you show them if that makes 7? Show them what that would look like. What would that look like? What did you do, Ely?
I did 5 and 2.
Did you do 5 and 2 more? What did you, is that 2 pushes or 3? Can you do it in 2? Let me see what 2 would look like.
Here, put it on your finger.
Okay. Can you guys think of a different way than 5 and 2? What would be a different way? Finish up your talk with your partner and hands down and monkeys all the way up the tree and turn back to me. We're going to do one more thing with our monkeys in the tree. I'm going to send some monkeys down the tree and I want you to think, how many more do I need to send down? You ready? How many more do I need to send down so that I have 7 all together? Think in your head. If I send 2 monkeys down my tree, how many more do I need till I have 7 all together? Think in your head. Think in your head. How many more? You might want to use your monkeys on a tree to help you out with that. What do you think? How many more? Did you put 2 down your tree? Can you send 2 down? And then Ava, how many more do you need? How many's down my tree? Can you make yours look like mine? 2. 1, 2.
4.
3 and then 4. That does make 7, doesn't it? But I have 2 down my tree. What do you have? Adia, how many more did we have to send down to make 7 altogether?
5.
5 more. Let's see. Does this make 7?
Yeah.
2, and 5. Is that 7 altogether?
Yeah.
Nice job.